index plus count. Then next we will call our swap function and we'll pass our first argument which be the pivot index array. Then our second argument of start, then we will type our logic for sorting left and right parts of the pivot element. For that I will make an element of integer type I and will initialize it to the start value, then j, and initialize it to the end value. Then we will have our while loop. While I is less than pivot index and j is greater than the pivot index, if this condition is true, then we will have an other while loop. Basically it's a nested while loop inside our previous while loop body. So let's write the logic for that too. While pivot while array ith index of array is less than or equal to pivot, then we would like to increment the I by 1. Then we have our second while loop, and if the jth index of array is greater than pivot, then we would like to decrement j by 1. Then we will have our if statement. If I is less than, let me just make this bigger so you can see it easily. Yeah, so if I is less than pivot index and j is greater than pivot index, then we would like to call our swap function again. Then we will simply return our pivot index. Now we will write our function for quicksort. It will accept 3 arguments. First one will be the array, then we will have our start and end. Now if the start is greater than or equal to the end, it will be our base case. Greater than or equal to end, then we want to return, terminate this program. I think it's enough for this video. If I will continue to code this quick sort, video will be too lengthy, so we will continue our code in the next video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.